Another big story in our country's courts today. 3 police officers accused of the murder of Nathaniel Julies in Eldorado Park are back at the Protea Magistrate Court today. Nathaniel, who had Down syndrome, was shot and killed in August of last year. That incident sparking widespread protests in Eldorado Park. Our senior reporter, Malungelo Booi, is back at the Protea Magistrates Court and joins us now for the latest. I think perhaps a good place to start, Malungelo, all of these months later. Just give us a sense of some of the history of the case and where we are now.
That's right, Michelle. In fact, the last time you and I had a conversation about this particular matter, it was in December last year when Foster Nchongolo, that's the third accused in this particular matter, appeared here in the Protea Magistrates Court. At the time, he was then granted bail of 10,000 rand. And remember, it was the second time he had been applying for bail. Initially, he and his co-accused were denied bail, but Nchongolo came back to court saying that he had new evidence that he wanted to present to the court. Well, there wasn't nothing new really, except providing this court with new with his new address, and also saying that he will not in fact interfere with the police investigation in this particular matter. And then he was then granted 10,000 rand bail by the court, but he was warned, Michelle, not to interfere with witnesses, and also if he intended to travel anywhere else outside the Gauteng province, he then needed to go to and inform a local police station that he wanted to travel outside the country, then outside of this province. Today then, Michelle, we're not expecting much really besides hearing from the NPA on whether an investigation in this particular matter has been completed or not. If the investigation, Michelle, has been completed, then this matter is likely then to be moved to the High Court for trial. But if the investigation is not completed, well, this matter will be postponed for further investigations. Michelle?
And in the meantime, Malungelo, and in fact throughout the months since this incident, since their arrest, those 2 police officers, Scorpion Ndiyalvane and Kayleen Whiteboy, they've remained in custody.
That's right. They are still in custody, Michelle, and we have not had any indications from them on whether they would, attempt to apply for bail again as Foster Nchongolo did last year. We've not had any indication of that sort. But I think, Michelle, it is important to note that when Nchongolo was granted bail in December last year, there was a little bit of disappointment from relatives of the teenager. That's Nathaniel Julies. The mother cried, in fact, saying that she felt let down by the justice system. But the grandfather, was a bit he appeared to not have given up hope, saying that, well, he does hope that the truth will come out eventually when this matter does go on trial. Well, we'll find out today then if, the NPA says that the investigation in this particular matter has been completed, then this matter, Michelle, will be moved to the High Court for trial.
Our senior reporter, Malungelo Booi, live to us there from the Protea Magistrates Court in Soweto.